Hello, welcome to another sort of test video, so your comments and feedback are most welcome. What you'll notice is I have moved the camera around slightly to a slightly side view, so I'll be facing that way when I'm looking at the screen and Logic. I will get to the sound bit in a sec. Let me just show you the presentation options I've been going through. So this is the same neon outline if I was talking about a website. I've changed the background to something a bit more, well, simple, but I think it works quite well if, for example, I was doing a presentation. So say it was on the modes, you know, is that too distracting? The other option is to do this and not have the neon background. So that's another way of doing it. Again, presentations would look like this. Which I don't think is too bad. Maybe that's a bit better. You'll notice there is the neon outline is now around the outside of the screen. Maybe that's still too distracting. Just adds a bit of interest if you were going through boring PowerPoint type slides. In terms of presenting Logic, I think there was a really good case commented on last time where it would be better to be just doing full screen. If I'm talking about Logic and using Logic, you know, let's make it full screen and center, no fancy neon glows. I can always add me in as well, and I think with this sort of position, I think it works slightly better for me not getting in the way of too much stuff down in this bottom right corner, which I have been guilty of before and accidentally blocking out what I'm trying to show you. So that's the other option. Now to the audio. You can see here, I've put this on my keyboard. You can't see it particularly well, but this is what I've got the shotgun mic plugged into. It's just a Behringer mixer unit, really. All I'm using is this line for the microphone. And what I've been playing around with is the different settings for the low and the high frequencies. I think I've got it just about right, where I just slightly boost the lows, but I am open to your suggestions and I'll run through them now. The microphone's at like 1 o'clock and the gain's at about 11 o'clock. So I'll demonstrate the difference with Voiceover. If I turn down the gain, you aren't going to hear, well, you will hear less, so that has got a lot quieter, and as I turn the volume down now, I will disappear. So no gain, no volume, not good. As I turn the volume up, okay, that is the output volume coming through with no gain at all. If I put the gain at about 10 o'clock, that's full, so we're starting to get into distortion clipping territory. I go to 2 o'clock on the gain, you can hear again that starts getting a bit clippy, and full gain is just going to start sounding silly. If I go back to the settings, so 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, and if I drop the bass out, that's what it sounds like with no bass or reduced bass. That's the middle setting, but I think just a little bit of bass does help. I don't think I need to push the highs any further, because if I do that, you tend to get the sibilances coming through. That was a good, good choice of words, sibilance. And cutting them out just makes it feel a bit empty. So your thoughts are most welcome. What do you think about the outline screens? I hope that was a bit of an interesting insight into what I've been playing around with the audio settings, and hoping to get up and running and recording based on whatever feedback over the next couple of days. I've got some composing that I really need to get done, so I think I'll be recording some of that in one of these formats so you can see potentially what it might look like. But leave your comments, like and subscribe, always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye for now.